Hello everyone, welcome back to Pet Labs. In this video we are going to check out the top 5 best gifts for cat lover. Okay, so let's get started with the list. Starting at number 5, we have the Vetnique Labs Furbliss Silicone Pet Brush. The Furbliss multifunctional two-sided 100% silicone pet brush by Vetnique Labs is the ideal gift for cat owners who need the perfect deshedding and brushing solution. The two-sided brush is made from 100% medical-grade silicone. It is safer and more comfortable to use than many traditional metal-toothed combs and brushes. The brush massages as it brushes and calms your cat in the process. It can be used wet or dry, and the reverse side of the brush is ideal for removing fur and lint from furnishing and clothing. The brush is easy to clean. Simply rinse under running water. Check out the description for more information about this product and latest price. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Petsie Cat Collar Safety and Friendship Bracelet. If you are searching out a gift for a cat lover that they can revel in with their cat, then the Petsie Cat Collar Breakaway Safety and Friendship Bracelet is probably just what you are searching out. The collar is strong and fashionable and springs with an identical friendship bracelet. The collar is made from durable, natural cotton, making it relaxed and lightweight. It additionally comes with a breakaway buckle that without delay opens if strain is carried out from the cat getting caught or stuck on whatever. The collar is easy to modify and has a antique fashion D-ring for a bell of the cat's head. At number 3, we have the Amazon Basics Soft-Sided Cat Travel Carrier. The Amazon Basics Soft-Sided Pet Travel Carrier is the ideal present for all and sundry who needs to take their cat out of the residence. It is ideal for domestic moves, vacations, or trips to the vet. The carrier conforms to below seat dimensions for airways and consists of an adjustable shoulder strap and sporting handles. The provider additionally includes a stable base insert and a fleece puppy mattress to growth the cat's consolation. It has a strong layout and openings at the front and pinnacle in order that even the most reluctant cat may be placed adequately within the service. The openings are secured with zips and carrier has internet sides so kitty can nonetheless see their owner and their environment. At number 2, we have the Prairie Horse Supply Quality Thermal Cat Mat. The Quality Thermal Cat Mat by means of Prairie Horse Supply includes a thermal interior layer that displays the cat's body warmness again to them, supporting them stay heat and relaxed all night long. The mat is made from super materials and consists of an insulating plush foam cushion for added consolation. The mat is reversible and machine cleanable. And finally, at number 1, we have the Hartz Just for Cats Kitty Friendly Cat Toy. The Hartz Just for Cats Kitty Friendly Cat Toy accommodates of 12 brightly colored mice which can be packed with catnip. The bushy mice are simply the proper length for cats to pounce on and bat around. The catnip continues the cat interested by the pastime, making sure that they get maximum stimulation and exercise from the mice. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question about this gifts for cat lover, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.